Imagine this, soaring high above the clouds, where the sky meets the horizon, feeling the wind rush past you, as if you're part of the very air itself. Below, the captivating island of Bali unfolds, a paradise of natural beauty. This is not a dream, but a breathtaking reality. This is Bali, seen through the eyes of a drone, revealing its hidden wonders. Our journey begins on the coast, where the land meets the sea. Turquoise waves crash against golden beaches, creating a symphony of nature. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, their leaves whispering secrets of the island. We see colorful boats bobbing on the water, each one a story waiting to be told. Fishermen prepare for their daily catch, a timeless tradition. We ascend higher. The drone takes us over bustling cities and quiet villages, each with its own unique charm. We see intricate roads connecting the island like a network of veins, pulsing with life. Red-tiled roofs dot the landscape, a mosaic of human habitation. Temples rise up, ancient and majestic, standing as guardians of history. From this vantage point, Bali is a tapestry of color and contrast, a living painting. The vibrant greens of rice paddies meet the deep blue of the ocean, a perfect harmony. Volcanic peaks pierce the clouds, their slopes cloaked in lush rainforest, a testament to nature's power. This is Bali in all its glory, a paradise on earth. Our drone takes us inland now, revealing the lush green landscape of Bali. We approach the majestic Mount Batur, an active volcano that stands as a sentinel over the island. Smoke curls from its crater, a constant reminder of the island's fiery heart and its volcanic origins. Nestled on the slopes of Mount Batur is the Uluwatu Temple, a serene and sacred site. This sacred site seems to float on the water's surface, creating a mystical and tranquil atmosphere. Dedicated to the goddess of the lake, it is a masterpiece of Balinese architecture, showcasing intricate designs and craftsmanship. Further inland, we find the iconic Tanah Lot Temple, a symbol of Bali's spiritual and cultural heritage. It perches precariously on a rocky outcrop, standing resilient against the elements. Waves crash against its base, creating a dramatic spectacle that captivates visitors. This temple is a testament to the Balinese people's deep connection to the sea and their reverence for nature. From our aerial perspective, we can appreciate the sheer number of temples that dot the landscape, each telling its own story. Each one is unique, reflecting the island's rich spiritual heritage and the diversity of its cultural traditions. They are a testament to Bali's enduring faith and the deep spiritual connection of its people to their land. We leave the volcanic peaks behind us. Our drone glides over a landscape that takes your breath away. These are the rice terraces of Bali. Emerald green rice paddies cascade down hillsides. They shimmer in the sunlight, a testament to the ingenuity of Balinese farmers. For centuries they have cultivated these terraces, creating a landscape that is both beautiful and productive. From the rice paddies we descend towards the coast. White sand beaches stretch out before us. Crystal clear water laps at the shore, inviting us to take a dip. Surfers ride the waves, their silhouettes etched against the horizon. Snorkelers explore the coral reefs teeming with colorful marine life. The beauty of Bali's coastline is simply breathtaking. Section 4, a tapestry of color and culture. Our drone tour takes us over Ubud, the cultural heart of Bali. This town is a vibrant hub of art, tradition and spirituality, nestled among lush rice terraces and ancient temples. We see artists at work in their studios, creating masterpieces. Their dedication and skill are evident in every brushstroke and chisel mark, reflecting the rich heritage of Balinese art. The streets are alive with the sound of gamelan music and traditional dance performances. We witness colorful ceremonies that bring the community together, celebrating their shared culture. Offerings of flowers and incense fill the air with a sweet fragrance. These offerings are a daily ritual, symbolizing gratitude and reverence. The Balinese people's deep spirituality is evident in every aspect of their lives. Their devotion is palpable during temple ceremonies, where prayers and offerings are made with heartfelt sincerity. From above, we observe the intricate details of everyday life. The bustling markets, the serene temples, and the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity paint a vivid picture of Balinese culture. Women carry baskets on their heads, their graceful movements a testament to their strength. These daily tasks are performed with a sense of purpose and pride. Children play in the streets, their laughter echoing through the air. Their joy and innocence are a reminder of the simple pleasures of life. The drone's camera captures the warmth of the Balinese people. Their smiles are infectious, and their hospitality is legendary. Visitors are welcomed with open arms, making them feel at home in this beautiful island paradise. Section 5. Experience the magic of Bali. As our drone tour comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe. We have witnessed the beauty of Bali's landscapes. We have glimpsed the richness of its culture. We have felt the warmth of its people. Bali is more than just a destination. It is a feeling. It is a state of mind. It is a place where ancient traditions meet modern life in perfect harmony. We urge you to experience the magic of Bali for yourself. Explore its temples and rice paddies, relax on its pristine beaches, immerse yourself in its vibrant culture. Bali awaits you.